Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Having a clean car is so important to me. So when we got these floor mats from HOUCLEMIC, we were so impressed first by how perfectly they fit. We have a 2020 Hyundai Palisade, and this will fit the years 2020 to 2025. You can see how this fits it like a glove. We were super impressed by how they even thought of this little extra piece to go in the lower cargo area. Everything is so well protected. These are scratch resistant all weather mats. They even accommodated the third row for split seats. And all of the loops and belts fit through it perfectly so that everything is exposed and still usable. A total added bonus is that these are super easy to clean. We don't even have to use a vacuum if we don't want to. I really appreciate that compared to other mats, these are so sturdy. They have a good thickness, but they're also flexible, so they can fit around the areas they're supposed to fit around. Also, the Velcro design on this attaches easily to the fabric that's already in the car, but it doesn't damage the fabric at all when you want to remove it or take it off. These mats are perfect whether you are by yourself, have a family, have pets. They're going to help to protect your floors, and they look great doing it. You are not going to be disappointed by these mats. We think they're perfect, and that's our point of view.